Welcome friends. Now we're going to learn about various Amazon developer tools, beginning with Cloud9. So let's start. We're going to learn about various developer tools, the Cloud9, code build, code commit, code deploy, code pipeline, and code start. Here we are going to start with Cloud9, which is a cloud IDE for writing, running, and debugging a code. You might be working in a team or an individual project. You need an IDE for writing a code on the cloud. You don't need to work from a same system, same device, or same IDE because your system may terminate at a certain moment of time or may not function properly. So you need a cloud storage as well as a cloud IDE for writing codes. So Cloud9 is a solution for such problems, which is an integrated, which having a built-in terminal with pre-configured Amazon CLI. So you could push your codes or run your commands from your Amazon CLI using authentication and providing the credentials at the start time. You can get started in minutes and no longer have to spend the time to install local applications or configure a development machine. Yeah, it could be integrated with various services on Amazon Cloud, and you could deploy everything you want in a matter of few seconds. So this is a typical view of Amazon Cloud9. Here it is similar to any IDE like NetBeans, Eclipse, and different things, IntelliJ, and things like that. It is built to support different languages and different frameworks. You could write codes. Here we have a JSON format code, having a key value pairs. You could have a function, a payload, and you can execute and view the result as you do have in a simple IDE with a compiler. You can run any scripts, Python script, Java scripts, and more, and you can save them on the cloud. So you have all the options as we have on the top tab. The file, edit, find, view, go to, run, tools, windows, support, help, and different functions. We have environment and navigate and commands view, as well as that we can collaborate with a team. We can share our code. We have multiple read write operations running simultaneously. Suppose we have a code, we have a program, and there are three developers writing certain sections of a program. We could write a code simultaneously on a single file. We can allow them, we can have a discussion as we have on the right hand side. Here there are two developers talking, we and Trevor Walker, Jeff Burr. Then we can have a communication as well. We can have permissions and work simultaneously on a single project. We don't need to swipe our machines every time we want. So here, due to this Cloud9, the Cloud IDE, our development work works fine in a faster fashion and a more project-oriented approach. Here are various benefits. You have to code with just a browser. You don't need any pre-configured installed software. You don't need to install anything. You don't need to have a high-end graphics or a high-end processor to execute those things. You may have a simple processor and a simple ARM or different processors to work upon various projects. You may change your devices, the system, location, and everything like that. You have to just log into the Amazon Cloud, create an instance for a Cloud9, or work upon the existing instance and simply work from there. You can code together in real time, as we have seen with the example. Multiple developers could work simultaneously on a simple same file, working on different sections. If there are conflicts, there are protocols, and there are things that you could make rules to allow various to remove various conflicts if they occur. There are rarely any conflict. Then we have a serverless application that we could build with ease. We could write code deploy it right away on the Lambda, AWS Lambda, and build a serverless function as a service platform for any kind of mobile, web, or IoT environment application. We have direct terminal access to Amazon Cloud. We could install a simple AWS terminal command line interface, and we could perform or execute various commands right away from our machine without using any graphical tone or using a browser-based internet. We can start on different projects quickly, very easily. We could integrate multiple scripts or multiple platforms easily. Suppose we have a script in PHP, another script with Python, third script with JavaScript, fourth with Java, JSP, and more. We don't need to install various engines or write it differently, different projects, or work upon various IDEs. Everything get integrated simultaneously on the same environment. It has a support of over 40 programming languages till now, and it is scaling more efficiently over the period of time, as there are always new programming languages and frameworks emerging every day. And these are being integrated here with IDE. Or if there are not programming language, a programming language is not recognized, you can send a request or simply write a program and add a compiler for that. We can set up our AWS Cloud environment using a free tier or pay-as-you-go option. It has a micro, small, and different options, large and different things. We have cost saving settings, environment name, and description of settings. So this was a brief introduction about the Cloud9. It works very usefully and could be integrated with different developer tools, a code build, a code deploy, uh, code star, and different things. We'll be learning more in the coming videos. Till then, keep learning and keep moving ahead.